Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by pressing a 14 Oz block of firm tofu for 15 minutes to remove excess water. Pressing improves texture and helps browning. While pressing, slice 2 cups of bell peppers, trim 1 cup of broccoli florets, and mince 3 cloves of garlic and 1 teaspoon of ginger. Whisk a simple sauce: 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon cornstarch, and 2 tablespoons water. Set that aside. Measure seasonings and prepare a clean pan so everything is ready for quick cooking. Heat a non-stick or cast iron pan over medium-high heat and add 1 tablespoon neutral oil. When the oil shimmers, add tofu in a single layer. Cook without moving the pieces so they form a golden crust, turning every 1 to 2 minutes until all sides are crisp and browned, about 6 to 8 minutes total. Lower the heat to medium, push tofu to the side, add vegetables, and pour in 3 tablespoons water. Cover for about 2 minutes to steam the vegetables until bright and just tender. Return the tofu to the pan, pour the premix sauce over tofu and vegetables, and stir constantly until the sauce thickens and evenly coats everything, about 1 minute. If sauce is too thick, add 1 tablespoon water. Finish with 1 tablespoon toasted sesame seeds and 2 chopped scallions for brightness. Serve immediately over 1 cup cooked rice per person or noodles. Store leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days and reheat in a skillet to restore crispness. Do not freeze fried tofu.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.